kum ka jing snok tilang ban penrem mi ka jing jia Hammond district jong ka jela Nagaland hadin bak hatlai ngut kinong bela kila sya sia diap haki sipai jong ka Assam Rifles ki samla pule jong ka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agriculture Sciences Umiam haka janmit jong ka singi balang haka por kumbasan ba JIA kila penlong ye ka jing ya rally kum ka jing ye ki bajai jai bat ra ye ki plakat bat kum juru ka jing thang bombeti haplau jong ka te ka jaka pule ban penrem jur ya ka jing jia haga jela Nagaland men haga Southrik jong uno pra haga te ka jing thang bombeti bat ka jing ya rally lami renti iru dagi samla pule ne ka jai ben reu boper ki ba pule haga te ka school ba ki bala penrem jur ya ka te ka jing jia ka bomla ban pediang halo ka jing tombor ki sipai persya ai ka hok long breu man breu bat kum ki te ki jing jia kim dei bandang jia shu nang ni shikmat kilapan pauru syaka sorkar India bakum kisamla pule kidawa ban wengno yak an yak jokor AFSPA nakate gejela kabadi ka an pnya breu haka jaka bagi sipai kinlong kinongeda penban kilong kinong pnya breu bat ka no ka jeng thang man sim ki bahayeng basem bat ki ba e bathon ki ba do no ye kite ki khatlai ngut hat naka jing siat yap jong ki sipai.
We the students of CPGS AS Umiam are deeply saddened by the horrific incident that happened in the Mon district of Nagaland, and we have organized a peaceful candle rally in our college campus to pay homage to the departed souls, and we stand with the families of the people who have lost their near and dear ones, and we are very much hopeful that in the near future such incidents will not be taking place in our country. Thank you.